Hello and welcome. For the first of my lockdown series, I am doing you a recipe that both Indians and the British think of their own. Very much like the kind of cooking that I do at the Cinnamon Club, combining the best of both worlds. This Kedgeree is a perfect example of the best of both worlds. The British Kedgeree is slightly different. It is quite simple. Have a look, it's not that many things. It's got a bit of smoked haddock. I don't mind the dye, I prefer the undyed variety, but this a bit of smoked haddock with some milk, some peppercorn, cloves and bay leaf. In terms of cutting, quite simple. A little bit of onion, some ginger, some tomatoes that I de-seeded, some green chilies if you like them, you can add more, some cooked rice and some hard-boiled egg. And lemon or lime, whatever might be going for you. You don't need to cook the fish a lot. All you need to do is just simply poach it so it kind of becomes really flaky and easy. And have a look here. All we want to do is to peel these eggs. And then we have, just to get started off, a glug of oil, cumin. And as the oil quietens down, it's just a signal that it's about to ready to receive the onions. A little bit of salt into the onions, it has to cook faster. Into that a bit of chili, a little bit of ginger. The haddock is nicely cooked. Whilst the onions are just sweating away, I'm simply just going to flake it off with a fork. It doesn't need any more than that. And you don't want them mashed really. You want them nice big flaky pieces so you can still appreciate the onions are softening and it's just about to change color. I'm adding third of a teaspoon or so turmeric, and you want to cook the turmeric off slightly, so just while that is in, the tomato. And you actually want to see the tomatoes in. We don't want to cook the tomatoes too much. Look at that color. Then goes the fish, nice and moist, along with some of the liquid that has been poached in, some of that milk. You just mix all of it in and let this kind of gently heat through. That looks amazing, but as they say, the proof of the pudding. Nice and smoky, and it's got everything. In go the chopped boiled eggs, few knobs of butter. You could use cream if you had any. Chop a few sprigs of coriander, otherwise just a nice generous squeeze of lime or lemon, whatever you had at home. So there you are, the quintessential Anglo-Indian Kedgeree for you.